This is problem 6 of 2024 AMC 10A. What is the minimum number of successive swaps of adjacent letters in a string A, B, C, D, E, F that are needed to change the string to F, E, D, C, B, A? For example, 3 swaps are required to change A, B, C into C, B, A. One such sequence of swaps is A, B, C to B, A, C to B, C, A, and then to C, B, A. Okay, so let's just first try and understand this problem. How does this work? Well, let's just try and swap ABC to CBA. We have ABC, and the next step, let's say, is BAC. Well, this means, and you can swap adjacent letters. So these two letters are next together, so they're adjacent, so you can swap them. So you can swap B and A because they're next to each other. Now we have BAC. We can swap C and A because they're next to each other, so you have BCA. Right? And then you can swap C and B because they are next to each other, so that's CBA. So yeah, that's how you do it. So okay, so let's just try and swap A, B, C, D, E, F. Well, we know that we have to make sure that, so you have A, B, C, D, E, F, and then we can have A, B, C, D, F, E, like E and F swap. And then we have A, B, C, F, D, E. And then these swap again. We have A, B, F, C, D, E. And then this swaps again. So you have A, F, C, D, A, F, B, C, D, E. This swaps again. So you have F, A, B, C, D, E. Now you do E. Make sure E is in front of F. E is after F, but in front of all the other letters. So you have F, A, B, C, E, D. And then you have F, A, B, E, C, D. Then you swap again, E and B. You have F, A, E, B, C, D. You swap E and A. You have F, E, A, B, C, D. Continuing, you have F, E, A, B, D, C, F, E, A, D, B, C, F, E, D, A, B, C. We're almost there. And then we can have F, E, D, A, C, B, F, E, D, D, C, A, B. Now we just swap A and B. F, E, D, C, B, A. So how much swaps is that? Well, we can just count the number of total, the number of arrows. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the answer should be 15, but what about all the answers that are smaller than 15? What if we can do this in 6, 10, or 12 moves? Then we're going to choose the wrong answer and get 0 points. Well, let's try and, the thing you can use to verify is your common sense, I guess. Because you know that you can only swap adjacent letters. The most efficient way of doing so is just swapping letters such that all the letters are going in the right direction. Like A is going to the right, and F is going to the left. They're all going in the correct direction, you know? And don't swap letters back and forth. Don't swap A with B and then B with A and A with B again. That's gonna increase the number of steps. We did both of those during our 15 swaps, so there's not really a better solution, I guess, that is shorter, unless you can swap non-adjacent letters or there's a new rule or something. So the answer is just D. Another way to do this, which is method 2, is by recursive sequences. Because honestly, what you can do is say, let's say f of x is the number of swaps needed. The number of swaps needed for x letters. like for like ABC to become CBA, for ABCD to become DCBA, for all the letters to be for all the letters to be in reverse order. Well, f of 1 is just going to be 0 because f of 1 there's only one letter, so it's just A. So that's already in the reverse order. It's just A. F of 2 is going to be 1 because you have AB. You want to change it to be A, so you just swap the two letters. And then f of 3 is going to be 3 because we want ABC to become CBA, so you have to swap C with B, so you have ACB, and then you have CAB, and then you have CBA. Now f of 4 is just going to be, so you want to swap ABCD. But notice right now that you can actually like first swap ABC, ignore D first, and make sure that ABC becomes CBA. So you can do the swaps here and do that, and now it'd be CBAD. So now it's CBAD, and then you can swap D with each of these letters. So A with D, right, and then D with B, and then D with C. So that is 1, 2, 3, 3 swaps. So that is 3 plus 3, which is 6. And then we have f of 5, which is what we like, one step closer to what we want. So again, we're gonna swap stuff. We're gonna swap A, B, C, D, E first, so that it becomes C, B, A, D. So there's like 6 steps to that. So now it's D, C, B, A, E. And then you want to swap E with every single letter. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 arrows. So 4 swaps. Now this is 3 swaps and this is 4 swaps. So each time the number of swaps you do with the new letter increases by 1. So that's 4 plus 6, which is 10. So 1 is just 0. So you notice this is 1. And that's just 1, right? And 3 is 1 plus 2. 6 is 1 plus 2 plus 3. 10 is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So this means that f of 6 you can predict is going to be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, which is 15.